Hello everyone, myself Pavitra GB presenting the topic characteristic of a ring which belongs to the chapter Rings and Fields in the paper Real Analysis 2 and Algebra 3 for 5th semester BSc students. These are some basic concepts we must know to understand the characteristic of a ring, like definition of ring, ring with unity element, integral domain, and some examples. Also, order of an element of a group. Let us know the definition of characteristic of a ring. Let R plus dot be a ring if 0 denotes 0 element of ring R, there exists a least positive integer n such that n into a is equal to 0. That means we are writing a n times. By adding a n times, it must give 0. For all a belongs to R, if such n exists, that n is defined to be characteristic of the ring R, and it is denoted by the notation like this. If we are not able to find such n, to write it as n into a equals to 0 for all a belongs to R, then the characteristic of such ring is defined to be 0 or infinite. Example, let us consider the ring Z4 having the elements 0, 1, 2, 3. Here n is 4. For all a belongs to Z4, we write 4 into 0 equals to, by adding 0 4 times we get 0. 4 into 1, writing 1 4 times, by adding 1 4 times we get 4. But 4 is an element which does not belongs to Z4. In Z4 we are not having 4. So by multiplication modulo 4 we can substitute 4 as 0. That means 4 is equivalent to 0 in Z4. 4 into 2, adding 2 4 times we get 8. Again 8 does not belongs to Z4, but it is equivalent to 0 with respect to multiplication modulo 4. 4 into 3, adding 3 4 times we get 12. 12 again does not belongs to Z4, but it is equivalent to 0 with respect to multiplication modulo 4. So we are able to find n as 4 such that 4 into each element of Z4 we are getting 0. 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 1, 0, 4 into 2, 0, 4 into 3, 0 likewise. So that we can define characteristic of Z4 is 4. Some results of characteristic of a ring. If a ring R has unity element, that is 1, then characteristic of R equals to 0 if and only if the additive order of 1 in the abelian group R plus is infinite. Characteristic of R is equal to n if and only if order of an element 1 in R plus is finite and is n. For example, consider the ring Z plus dot. It is having the unity element 1. We know that order of 1 in Z is infinity. So we can say characteristic of Z is 0 or infinite. Another example, Z4. Order of 1 in Z4 is 4. So characteristic of Z4 equals to 4. An integral domain Z3, order of 1 in Z3 is 3. Characteristic of Z3 is also 3. Using the previous results, we are giving the examples like this. Theorem: the characteristic of an integral domain is either 0 or a prime number. Proof like this. Let us consider an integral domain D. Let a non-zero element A, which belongs to an integral domain D. If order of A equals to 0, then a characteristic of D is also 0. Then there is nothing to prove. If order of A is finite, then characteristic of D is a finite number, let us say P. It is enough if we show that P is prime number. Let us assume that P is not a prime. Then it has factors P1 and P2, where P1 and P2 are other than 1 and less than. Since D is an integral domain, A is non-zero. So A into A gives non-zero, implies A square is also non-zero. Now order of A is P, implies order of A square is also P by the property of order of an element. Order of A square equals to P gives P into A square equals to 0. We are substituting P as P1 into P2 into A square equals to 0. That means adding A square P1 P2 terms. Also P1A into P2A equals to 0. This implies either P1A is 0 or P2A is 0, since D is an integral domain. But P1 P2 less than P, also P is the least positive integer such that PA equals to 0. Here is the condition we have arrived: P1A equals to 0 or P2A equals to 0. This means P1 or P2 is the least positive integer to satisfy the condition of characteristic of a ring, that is n into A is 0. But P is the least positive integer, P into A is 0. It gives from order of A is P. So contradiction to our assumption, that is P is not a prime, hence P is a prime. Thank you.